Hello and welcome to Simple Code Craft. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 867, and this problem is called Transpose of Matrix. The problem statement says, given a 2D integer array matrix, we should return the transpose of this matrix. Now, what is transpose of a matrix? The transpose of a matrix is the matrix flipped over its diagonals, switching the main rows and column indexes. So now, in this problem, we have our matrix given below. And for this matrix, we need to switch this matrix rows into columns. For example, we have this first row. When we flip into a transpose, we are going to get this column. Similarly for this, rows, columns, tail row, tail columns. With this, we can solve this problem. Having said that, let us dive into Eclipse to implement this problem. Now, I've created a matrix, a 2D matrix, and we are going to dive into the implementation. So, static, and now we will go back to LeetCode and then copy these and paste here. So the first step here is to create our transpose matrix, because we are going to copy the matrix rows of the original matrix into the transpose matrix columns. So the first thing we have to do here is to declare our matrix. So this will be called transpose matrix, and in this we will have the rows of length, and here we will also have matrix of length. So now, what this line of code is displaying is that the first thing we declare our transpose matrix, and now we said we initializing the space to the matrix row, the first row of our matrix, which is this row. The length of this row is 3, so 3 is going to be placed into this, and for the columns we have matrix length. So the length of this matrix would be the number of rows. So we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is going to come here. So next we have to copy these rows into the transpose columns. So for that we will say for int is equals to 0, I is less than matrix length, and I plus will increment So here we will say we are j is equals to 0, j is lesser than matrix first row length j plus plus. So now we need to flip these rows into columns, and for that we will say transpose j I is equals to matrix I j and transpose matrix, and after this we need to return our transpose matrix. So with this we have solved this problem. So let us try to print this and see the output. SYSTEM dot out dot print line, and in here we will say ARR ARRAYS dot to screen, and then the name of our method, the transpose, and pass in our matrix. So let us try to print this. When we print this, okay, so here we are getting the hash code of the arrays. Is because this is a 2D array and we are just printing the first layer. So for this we can change this to screen into the to screen and print this. So save, print. Now we have our transpose matrix. So to have this in the same matrix form, we can comment this out and say for int arrays n equals to transpose matrix matrix, and in this we should print out dot print line print array to screen n. So this is going to print in the same format. So now if we save, we have our transpose matrix. So save. So 1 4 7 2 5 8 3 6 9. So if we go to LeetCode and see this transpose, we have, for this example, we have 1 4 7 2 5 8 3 6 9. So let us copy this problem and paste into a LeetCode to see what we get as our output. So save, LeetCode, paste this into grunt. Hopefully they should accept. Okay, so accept all of our test cases. So let us submit this. Now we have submitted this, and yeah, we have solved the transpose of a matrix. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.